New room. Hi guys, it's Rowan, aka the Human Voice Box, and today I'm bringing you more free sound effects that you guys can use on your films. This sound effect is gonna be a man getting shot. So if you're doing a film where, I don't know, there's a sniper on a hill shooting into an orphanage, then you can use this free sound effect. So I'll play it now.